Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into the world of top-tier oil system tools, bringing you the ultimate countdown of the best-selling products on Amazon. From high-performance tools to game-changing innovations, we've got it all covered. Without further ado, let's go.
Let's dive right into the fifth spot on our countdown of top-selling oil system tools on Amazon. The FloTool 10701 Spill Saver Multi-Purpose Funnel, presented in a striking blue hue. Imagine a funnel that not only meets but exceeds your expectations in every way. The FloTool 10701 is designed with a no-mess splash guard, ensuring that your fluid transfer remains clean and hassle-free. No more spills or splashes, just a smooth, precise pour. Its universal fit accommodates all sizes of filler tubes, making it a versatile tool in any garage or workshop. Whether you're dealing with transmission fluid, oil, power steering fluid, or even gas oil additives, this funnel has got you covered. The extended filler neck is ingeniously crafted to open gas tank trapdoors with ease, adding to its convenience. And let's not overlook its practicality. The FloTool 10701 features a peg hole, allowing for easy storage by hanging it up when it's not in use. A small detail perhaps, but one that speaks volumes about the funnel's thoughtful design. In essence, the FloTool 10701 Spill Saver Multi-Purpose Funnel stands out for its versatility, efficiency, and user-friendly features. It's a funnel that blends function and convenience effortlessly, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. So if you're in the market for a funnel that delivers on every front, look no further than the FloTool 10701. Let's move on to see what's next in our countdown. In the fourth position of our countdown, we have the FloTool 10705 Giant QuickFill Funnel, a standout tool that's truly in a league of its own. Picture this, a funnel so thoughtfully engineered that it almost feels like it's working with you, not just for you. The FloTool 10705 boasts an integrated splash guard designed to shield you from those pesky fuel spills that can turn a simple task into a messy ordeal. It's the kind of feature that brings peace of mind, allowing you to focus on the job, not the cleanup. The funnel also features an easy grip guard, ensuring that pouring is both safe and effortless. Say goodbye to awkward angles and spills. This funnel's ergonomic design makes handling a breeze. But that's not all. It comes equipped with a snap-in screen, an ingenious addition that keeps debris out and enhances the funnel's reliability. Versatility is the name of the game here. Whether you're fueling up marine engines, servicing tractors, or topping off trucks, the FloTool 10705 rises to the occasion. Its innovative and robust design makes it the go-to tool for a wide range of applications. In essence, the FloTool 10705 Giant QuickFill Funnel isn't just a funnel, it's a game-changer. Its blend of practical features and sturdy construction ensures that it stands tall among the competition. Stay tuned as we unveil the next product in our countdown.
Reaching the third spot in our countdown, we present the WORKPRO 12 inches adjustable oil filter pliers, a tool designed to elevate your oil filter removal game to new heights. Imagine a tool crafted with precision and strength, tailored for those tricky, tight spaces where traditional wrenches fall short. The WORKPRO 12 inches adjustable oil filter pliers features a bent head design engineered specifically to navigate into those confined areas with ease. It's a thoughtful touch that transforms a cumbersome task into a streamlined process. The durability of these pliers is second to none, thanks to the high carbon steel construction. This robust material not only guarantees strength, but also ensures long-lasting reliability. With the Permalock fastener, you'll experience a secure, unwavering grip, eliminating the frustration of nut and bolt failures. Versatility is at the heart of these pliers. They are designed to accommodate oil filters ranging from 238 to 412 inches in diameter, translating to a wide range of applications, from engine filters to conduit and fittings. And let's not overlook the soft, non-slip red grips, engineered to provide extra reach and leverage, even in the most challenging spaces. In essence, the WORKPRO 12 inches adjustable oil filter pliers are more than just a tool. They are a reliable companion designed to make your maintenance tasks smoother and more efficient. Now let's see what's in store for number 2 on our countdown. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling oil system tools on Amazon? Well, don't let this opportunity slip through the cracks. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you stay in the loop with all our latest picks. Taking the number 2 spot in our countdown is the EPAuto Spill-Proof Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit, a game-changer in the world of automotive maintenance. Let's delve into why this kit is an absolute must-have. First and foremost, the EPAuto Funnel Kit is designed with precision to prevent spills and eliminate trapped air, an essential feature for ensuring optimal cooling system and heater performance. Trapped air can lead to erratic system behavior, making this funnel kit a critical tool for maintaining smooth operation. One standout feature is the ability to color match caps with dedicated adapters. This ingenious design makes it incredibly easy to identify and align the correct components, minimizing errors and streamlining the filling process. Moreover, the kit includes a 5-inch extension bar and a 45 degrees elbow, which are perfect for accessing caps that are positioned under shrouds or at awkward angles. These components ensure that you can reach every nook and cranny with ease, further enhancing the tool's versatility. This isn't just a funnel kit. It's a well-thought-out solution backed by a USPTO patent, No. US 105-19019B2, showcasing its innovative design and unique functionality. In summary, the EPAuto Spill-Proof Radiator Coolant Filling Funnel Kit stands out for its meticulous engineering and user-friendly features. It's designed to tackle common issues head-on and streamline your cooling system maintenance. Stay tuned to discover the top contender in our countdown. And now, we unveil the top product in our countdown, the Thorstone Automotive Fluid Extractor Pump. This tool is not just a fluid extractor, it's a meticulously engineered solution designed for precision and versatility. At the heart of this extractor is its impressive ability to transfer fluids smoothly and efficiently. Equipped with extension tubes of 0.24 inches OD and 0.32 inches OD, the Thorstone fluid extractor extends up to 40 centimeters when fully connected. This means you can reach even the most hard-to-access areas, whether you're extracting transmission fluid, power steering fluid, gear oil, antifreeze, or brake fluid. But the Thorstone isn't just about reach, it's about reliability. Featuring a dual rubber ring design, it forms an airtight seal that prevents any leakage, while the precision threading at the tube's end ensures a tight fit. The locking button adds an extra layer of safety, ensuring that the tube stays securely in place during use. This extractor is designed to handle it all. It's chemical and oil resistant, making it perfect for a variety of vehicles, from ATVs and automobiles to boats, trucks, RVs, lawnmowers, and golf carts. Whether you're performing maintenance on a family car or a commercial vehicle, this tool has got you covered. The package includes everything you need: a transparent fluid syringe with a locking adapter, 2 clear tubes with end caps for brake fluid syringe pump attachment, and a non-drip silicone connector. All these components are designed with convenience in mind, making your fluid changes as seamless as possible. And, as a testament to its quality, Thorstone offers 24/7 customer support with a lifetime guarantee. Your satisfaction is their top priority, and they're committed to providing prompt assistance whenever you need it. In summary, the Thorstone Automotive Fluid Extractor Pump is a top-notch tool that excels in functionality, safety, and convenience. It's the ultimate choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient fluid extraction solution. That wraps up our countdown of the best-selling oil system tools on Amazon. Stay tuned for more great insights and recommendations. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling oil system tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products we discussed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.